So, before you buy one more item for your home, just stop it. Because most of the time, it's not just about what is missing, it's about something too much. In my years of designing homes here in Dubai, from Marina and the luxury Palm Jumeirah villas, I have noticed the same 10 things that silently destroy your home. And today I am going to walk you through them one by one, what they are and why they don't work anymore, and most importantly, what we can do instead. So, grab a coffee and let's make your home calm, smart, and beautiful again. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Designerist. My name is Ceylan and here is the Bobby. I am an interior designer here based in Dubai, renovating almost more than 10 years. And if you have ever felt like your home feels smaller, busier, or somehow just not relaxing, this video is for you. We are not just talking about expensive makeovers today. We are talking about small realistic changes that will totally change the atmosphere of your home. Right, Bobby? Alright, let's start with the number one I see in almost every home. Number one, bulky TV walls. Those are huge, heavy TV walls with marble tiles, LED borders, and side shelves. I know they were trendy, but now they just feel too heavy. Unfortunately, they eat up your space and make your room much more smaller. The irony is, people install them thinking they will make the home look much more luxurious, but effect is the opposite. So here is what I suggest instead. So go for something simple and light. A floating TV console instantly makes your wall feel taller and your room much more spacious. Mount your TV cleanly, hide the cables, and keep the background tone simple. No contrast, no shiny marble behind it. And if you still want a little bit of interest, use soft LED lighting underneath the console, not around the TV. That creates a calm, floating effect that feels elegant, not overwhelming. When you walk into a living room and see a clean wall instead of bulky structure, it instantly feels like you can breathe again. Number two, open spice racks and counter chaos. I know those Pinterest style open spice racks looks beautiful in photos, but unfortunately in reality, dust, oil and visual clutter everywhere. Every jar, every label adds one more thing for your brain to process. And instead of a calm kitchen, you end up with a wall of noise. What works so much better is closed storage. Keep your spice in a drawer, labeled on top so you can see them at a glance. Keep only what you use daily within reach. And your countertop. Treat it like visual real estate. Leave space open. One beautiful vase, one wooden tray, or one coffee machine. That's it. Nothing else. The calmer your surface, the more elegant your kitchen feels. You will actually want to cook there again. Number three, too many cushions. I love a cozy sofa, but I walk into so many living rooms that looks like a pillow shower. There is nowhere to sit without moving half of them. Here is the thing. Cushions are meant to support design, not overwhelming. Three or four cushions are enough, but they should feel intentional. Choose similar tones, but vary the texture. One linen or one velvet. That difference in touch creates luxury without effort. And your throw blanket. Don't toss it randomly. Fold it softly over one armrest or into a basket beside the sofa. When you keep things minimal, your eyes can rest. And when your eyes rest, your mind follows. Number 4. Glass top dining table. Glass tables were everywhere a few years ago. And they do look light at first. But they scratched, reflect every light, and honestly, they make the room feel cold. You can't even put your hand down without seeing a fingerprint. A better option Go for a porcelain top or matte wood surface. They absorb light instead of bouncing it back. And visually, they grant your space, especially in open plan apartments. Add a warm fabric chair and a soft centerpiece like linen runner or dried flowers, and suddenly your dining areas feel cozy and elevated, not like showroom. Number 5. Too many small decor items. Unfortunately, this one is huge. People think more accessories mean more style, but it's actually the opposite. When you scatter 10 small items around, candles, tiny vases, photo frames, it creates chaos. Your eye doesn't know where to look. Instead, think fewer but larger. Pick one beautiful vase or a sculptural candle holder or a large coffee table book. Give each item space to breathe. Design is about rhythm, and empty space is part of the rhythm. The next time you decorate, look at every surface and ask yourself, does this piece add to the mood? If not, take it away. You will be amazed how instantly calmer it feels. Number 6. Fake plants in every corner. Yes, I get it. Fake plants seems easy. But when every corner has plastic leaves, the home starts to look staged, not lived in. Real greenery changes everything, even one plant like a fiddle leaf or a monstera. They bring softness and movement to the space. And if you can't manage with the real plants, use dried ones, like olive branches. Put them in a beautiful vase and let them go. They last for a month and still give the organic texture that makes home feel alive. When your greenery feels natural, your space feels more grounded. And that's the feeling every home should have. Number 7. Matching furniture sets. This one might surprise you, but matching furniture sets are one of the biggest design mistakes I can see. The 5-piece sofa set from the showroom looks good there because it's staged under perfect lighting, but at home it feels flat and soulless. A real designer home feels collected, not purchased all at once. So try mixing. Pair a structured sofa with soft fabric armchair. At a table with different material, maybe metal or wood or stone. Keep your colors related, but don't be afraid of subtle contrast. That mix adds depth. It feels like a story, your story instead of stores. Number 8. Wall to wall carpeting. I know, carpeting feels cozy, but in warm climates like Dubai or Melbourne, wall to wall carpet traps dust and heat. It also makes cleaning harder than it needs to be. What I love instead is layering rugs. Keep your main floor in porcelain or light wood. It keeps the space cool and open. Then use rugs to define areas. It can be under the sofa or under the bed or under the dining table. It gives you with the same warmth but with much more flexibility. And the bonus is you can switch them seasonally to refresh your design without a full renovation. Number 9. Open bathroom storage. Bathrooms are where calm should live, but open shelving full of shampoos and towels instantly ruins that. Even if everything's technically organized, it still looks messy. So keep it clean and hidden. Go for floating vanities with drawers. Add a mirrored cabinet so daily items disappear when not in use. And if you want to elevate it, use matching amber or glass containers for your shampoo and soaps. It's such a small detail, but it's transformed your bathroom from okay to spy-like. Number 10. Oversized sofas and heavy fabrics. Last one, the giant sofa. I see it all the time. A huge L-shaped section squeezed into a small room because people think it makes the space more comfortable. But in reality, it just makes everything feel so tight. Instead of this, go for model seating. Two smaller sofas facing each other, or one sofa and two armchairs that balance. Keep fabrics light and matte, linen or cotton. They let light move freely. The moment you open up the layout, your room feels twice as big. And it's not just visual, it's emotional. You actually feel lighter in space. So, as a final thoughts, the biggest design secret isn't about what you add, it's about what you remove. Every time you let go of something bulky, fake, or unnecessary, your home starts to breathe. And when your home breathes, you do too. So, tonight, look around your space. Pick one of these 10 and just remove it. And then you will see how the light hits differently. Please sit and see how it feels. Because that's what real design is about. How a space makes you feel when you walk in. And thanks for watching the Designerist. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and let me know in the comments which one are you removing first. And please share with me what you are feeling.